This Paramount Homes Real Estate Company property video is presented by Mary Ruffin. Immaculate, well-maintained home on an amazing oversized lot just under an acre. This home is located in the popular Chisholm School District. Desirable open floor plan features 4 large bedrooms and 2 full baths. Updates galore. Granite countertops, new stainless appliances, arriving September 25, 2020, fresh paint throughout, hardwood flooring, updated bathrooms, recently installed carpeting in bedrooms, recently installed air conditioner unit and much more. Inviting living area with cozy gas fireplace would make a wonderful place to entertain guests and family. Experience the luxury of a spa shower that you will never want to come out of. Spacious master with great closet space. Gorgeous backyard with pergola covered patio and deck. Lots of mature trees and storage shed/buildings. Water well services both inside and outside of home. Don't miss out on this great package. A wonderful home waiting for its new owner. For more